Hello, this is my AirPods 2 unboxing, the wireless charging kind. This was a gift from my wife, our 19th wedding anniversary gift from her to me. Let's get the knife out and start cutting into this box here. I didn't get, I didn't want the AirPods Pro. I got these from eBay, $115. I think they're $199 on Apple's website. I have trouble getting it out of the box here. I have to do some more cutting here. Now let's try this again. Yeah. Still having trouble getting this out. Come on, get out of there. There we go. We have our instructions here. No Apple stickers, unfortunately. Quick starter guide. Just stuff that really don't read, not necessarily. That's a quick start guide right there. And now we have our AirPods. And we got this wrapper. I had trouble getting this off as well. Hopefully I won't need my knife again. There we go. Really nice. Got a good weight to it. You open it up, have your light. Let's try pairing it with a phone. By the way, I got my iPhone 7 Plus. I don't have the iPhone XR anymore. Need to do a video on that. Yeah, you gotta have your Bluetooth on, or people make it sound like all you do is just open it up, but you gotta have your Bluetooth on. Alright, let's connect it. Now you gotta press and hold the button in the back of it. And by the way, you need to leave the AirPods open at the same time as you're holding the button. Alright, now we're connected. Press done. Now we're good to go. Tells you what charge you have. Now we're ready to listen to some music. Listen to some audio from while we're watching videos. Yeah. Definitely have, you could tell these are the real compared to, I have a pair of fake AirPods. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show the lightning cable. Lightning cable is that behind, it's inside of the box there. And there you go. Just a lightning cable that comes with the same one that comes with iPhone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.